Good morning, grade 9. Today we are going to start the second chapter, second lesson, and the first we are going to discuss about the heading. Heading is here. You are seeing that has been flashed on the board, the sound of music. Actually, what does the here heading mean? The sound of music, which types of the sound, notes the music can create. Actually, if you are going to know about the music, you have need to be aware about the song. And when you go further in the story, when you will deal in the story, then you come to know here what does the heading means. And here heading really heading really gives a great virtue. And on such theme, actually, when you come to know about the story, then you will understand everything that how a song plays a great virtue in one's life. You will come to know. And this is the story of a girl, Evelyn Glennie. Now, first you have need to understand what kinds of the girl she was. She was a percussionist. So you have need to understand what does the word percussionist means. That means one who goes in the business of percussion. That means one who beats the drum. You can write one who beats or plays drum or any other means of musical instrument. Actually, after the hitting, it creates the sound. As it has been mentioned in the book, that means you can also go the xylophone. This is also the beating instrument, musical instrument. You can also consider. And such people, one who is jobbing there, known as the percussionist. Now we are going to read this story. This is really an interesting story, and you will understand that how nature plays its significant role and how nature favors the people. Part first, actually, you have need to understand this is a long story, and in this second chapter, second lesson, there will be two stories. In first part, we are following now. This is all about the Evelyn Glennie. Here, Evelyn Glennie listened to music, to the sound without hearing it. You can surmise how one can listen music or listen anything without hearing. This is really a great challenge for any person. But she is doing so. How it can possible? If I want to expose anything, display anything, that means if I want to learn any musical thing, at first I must have to listen. If I want to speak anything, I must have need to listen. If I shall not listen, then how can I respond to the person? But that is happening here. A girl, she is performing everything. That you will be aware shortly. But just before, here what has been given about her, she is listening, but not by the help of her ear, but in what means by the help of her skin. How she is doing so. God may have taken her hearing, but has given her back something extraordinary. You know, extraordinary, that means miraculous. It has been telling about her. God may have taken her hearing. God has snatched her hearing skill. Instead of God has given anything. Because no one dies hunger. Actually, everything depends upon the people. If the people know their skill, then people bring their skill into use. Then people never die hunger. So actually, if the people will be lazy, they will not want walk. So what will happen if they will not walk? Then how they can run themselves? In such is what is happening here. All the people have different talent, different skill. They have need to understand their skill. They have need to find out their skill at whether they are supreme. It is happening with the Glennie. It has been telling about her. God has taken his hearing, but instead of he has given her something miraculous, extraordinary. What we hear, she feels. Instead of hearing, she feels the sound. Far more deeply than any of us. That means, in respect of all human beings, she is experiencing, she is sensing the sound better than we people do. Now, what is happening next? That is why she expresses music so beautifully. In such case, she is experiencing, she is sensing the music. After that, she is exposing her talent. Whether at what condition she has to play her thing. She is doing everything beautifully. Read the following account of the person who fought against a physical disability and made her life a success story. Now we are going to start the lesson. This is all about the lesson we have already said about the Ellen Glenning, and see how she made her career bright. Rush hour crowds jostled and the position on the underground train platform. Rush hour, which are you can consider rush hour. Rush hour is all about the hustling and bustling of people, especially in the morning, 9 to 10. These are considered rush hour, because in such period or in such span of time, different employees of different industries, they have to reach at their place, at their offices at the time, so that they can manipulate their business from there. So this time considered always rush time almost in all the countries. So what is happening? Rush are crowded just for the position on the underground train platform. She is going somewhere. Where she is going will know later. She is on underground platform. What the train will arrive. After that, she will make her distance to the place she is wishing to go. Now what is happening next? She wanted to take her position, therefore actually she was nervous. A slight girl, here slight means weak and thin, small and thin. A slight girl looking younger than her 17 years was nervous yet excited as she felt the vibration of the approaching train. As you know, she can't listen. She was feeling only. And when train was coming, it was sounding, and in such a what was happening, she was sensing the tremor. That tremor is all about vibration of the train approaching near. Then she became excited that the train is coming, and she became nervous that what will happen if not train is just about to come, all the people will board in the train. Shall I get success or not? She was thinking like that. And what is happening next? It was her first day at the prestigious Royal Academy of the Music in the London, and the daunting enough for any teenager fresh from a Scottish farm. What is happening here? That means all about new. She is telling she was going where? She was going prestigious Royal Academy of Music. This is the institute where one can get musical in. She wants to get the musical skill. Therefore, she has to go this. She has chosen this institute. And after that, what is happening? This institute lies in England, and she is a girl of Scotland. Scotland is a country in the UK. What is happening next? She is from the Scottish farm, especially a fresh girl. Scottish farm is all about the village of Scotland, as it has been telling about her. And a village girl going to the big city of the world, biggest city of the world, where she is going now, definitely she will be nervous enough. Therefore, she is daunting. Daunting is frightening. That means fear. Your book is telling, but this means the same. That means daunting. That means fear. And now what is happening teenager, that means the person come under the age of 13 to 19 and she was 17 now. But this aspiring musician faced a bigger challenge than most. She was profoundly deaf. She was deaf, that means she couldn't hear. So it was a great challenge for the girl to learn music, especially in the theme of the music. Definitely you have need to listen first. If you will not listen, then how you can perform? That is happening with that girl. So this task was tougher in the respect of most other, because other people can listen, but she is not doing the same. So it was always a tough task for the girl. Profoundly deaf, that means she was completely deaf. She cannot hear any a bit of sound. Alvin Glennie loss of hearing had been a gradual. How she lost her hearing? Gradual. She lost, not all of a sudden. In slowly, she lost her hearing. In what span? Now listen. Her mother remembers noticing something was wrong when the 8-year-old Alvin was waiting to play a piano. What is happening? Once when she was 8 years old, she wanted to play piano. And what happens? After that, an incident befall where her mother noticed, and we are going to read. They called her name and said she didn't move when her turn has come. All the people there started calling her name, but she didn't respond anyone. I suddenly realized she hadn't heard. Say Isabel Glennie. Isabel Glennie is the name of her mother. She noticed that she is experiencing that her daughter is not listening perfectly. Now, for quite a while, Alvin managed to conceal her growing deafness from the friends and the teachers. If anything happens wrong with you, then what you do, you start concealing. Conceal is all about hide. She started concealing. Concealing is all about hide. So what is happening? With whom she started doing so? With her mother, with her teachers, with her friends. But by the time she was 11, her marks had deteriorated. That means growing worse. And her headmistress urged her parents to take her to a specialist, a doctor, one who is expert in the field of deaf. So once her teacher has conveyed the message to her mother, that means you have need to carry your daughter to a specialist, one who can treat her better, because she is not listening properly. If she will not listen, then it will be tough to feel the excellency in that girl. Now what is happening? It was then discovered that her hearing was severely impaired as a result of the gradual nerve damage. Now when she has been boarded to the doctor, that means the result has come that she somehow lost her nerves of hearing. That means a device inside the human body from which she was listening, she lost. In such case, she was not in the condition of listening any longer. Now, they were advised that she should be fitted with a hearing aids and sent to a school for the deaf. Now, all the people, here the teachers of that musical institute, they all are telling, you have need to give your daughter a hearing aids, a device. When you sit in your ear, somewhat it supply a means of sound so that you can respond, you can understand, not exactly, but somehow you can understand. And they have also told that you have need to admit the girl in deaf school, whether there is facility for such girls. for such students, because here all the here we have the different source of the student, different stamina of the student. They are using their skill in the different thing, but actually here what is happening, the girl is deaf. She can't do all the thing like others. Now but Elvin was not going to give up. She was determined to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. But what happens? Elvin didn't lose her courage. She wanted to learn the music and she was determined to learn. She was not listening. She didn't care for this, but she wanted to learn. If it is happening, then you can understand how one can learn. If you can't listen, then how you can learn. In our second lesson, our second part, we'll discuss the further what happens and what the words problem you will face. You need to make contact and memorize all sorts of words so that you can respond better.